Hello everyone, I am Chadlyn Kate Alvarez from BSP 1.10 and my topic is all about cyberbullying. When I receive a hate comment on my post online, I started to think, how could a human do this to someone? How can they sleep at night knowing that someone has been hurt because of them? Hating or shaming people has been normalized in social media. Most of the people don't actually care whatever the action might affect someone. Bullying has been easy for bullies on this platform because they cannot see them in person. They cannot see the effect of their actions. They cannot see their victims cry or suffer from pain. And because of that, they started having much less care about it. Cyberbullying is a type of bullying or harming someone emotionally. This happens on social media through text, emails, or even just on posts. What they normally do is spreading rumors to embarrass their victims, sending embarrassing pictures or contents to mock them, to post and comment shaming words to mock the victim, and the most worst is there's cases that they messaging their victims to encourage them to take their own life. According to UNICEF Philippines, cyber violence affects almost half of Filipino children aged 13 to 17 years old. According to a survey issued by UNICEF, the United Nations agency that works for children's rights, 1 in 3 youth in 30 countries reported having experienced cyberbullying, and 1 in 5 reported skipping school as a result of cyberbullying and violence. According to recent national data, nearly half of minors in the Philippines between the ages of 13 and 17 are victims of cyber violence. Cyber violence is nearly as common among males as it is among females. Verbal abuse via cell phone or the internet accounts of one-third of cyber violence experienced by Filipino youngsters. More females receive messages of sexual nature or content than males. However, twice as many males than females reported having their nude body or sexual activities, whether real or falsified, has been shown on the internet or cell phone. Cyberbullying and bullying has been issues ever since. What we can do as normal individuals is to encourage ourselves to be kind. Know to ourselves that we are not perfect too. Everyone has their own flaws, and we cannot just point them out or use them against them. Being kind is free, and you, being kind, can have a big impact to our whole society. Another, I think we can connect or address this issue to the management of those social media applications. It's best for them to have better security for their users. And if the app is not proposing a properly secured platform, I think we can shut that specific app to have a better safety for everyone. We should not risk the safety of someone for the sake of entertainment. As every one of us is using social media, we are all aware that bullying has been around it. We are also witnesses to how cruel people are. At a sad point, maybe some of us also experience this exactly. And if you are aware of this, maybe the change will start with you. Start to become more kind and loving to everyone. We are all people. We should understand everyone. Nobody's perfect, but everyone can be good. That's all. Thank you.